They are glistening, translucent flowers, which are a glowing sight when backlit by the sun. The petals look like pastel colored tissue paper or crinkled raw silk cloth. The tall, slender stems are topped by bright smiling flowers, virtually in all colors of the rainbow but blue, with many hues in between. The ring of prominent yellow stamens enhances the colorful blooms. The dancing green buds simply look as if they're going to burst with some kind of magic confetti. Iceland poppies. I saw, I painted, and I got hooked on. I have been painting these blooms for quite some time now, and I thought it was the perfect season to share them with you in my today's class. Hi, I'm Pooja, the artist behind the Instagram and YouTube account by the Lakeside Art Studio. I'm a watercolor artist based out of North America, and I welcome you to my 9th Skillshare class. You can read more about me and my art journey on my Skillshare profile. In today's class, we are going to master everything about painting poppies in a loose, effortless style. We will begin by studying these flowers in detail and capture the main features that uniquely define these blooms. Going ahead, we will swatch all the colors we will be needing to paint these pastel colored bright poppies. As a final project, we will paint a beautiful vase filled with colorful poppies and buds. I will paint this project with you in real time. This project is designed to ensure that you paint poppies from different angles and facing in all directions. By the end of the class, you will be confident to paint a poppy in every possible color and style. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right into this and paint a stunning bunch of Iceland poppies.